Welcome to our exciting Dashcam Face-Off. Today, we're diving into the world of vehicle safety with two impressive contenders, the Dashcam WiFi 2K and the Miden X5 4K. As dashcams become essential tools for drivers, understanding their features and capabilities is crucial. In this video, we will compare these two models based on their video quality, night vision performance, and additional features like parking monitoring. Let's see which dashcam comes out on top. The Dashcam WiFi 2K offers a resolution of 2Ks, providing decent clarity for everyday driving. However, the Miden X5 4K takes it a step further with its impressive 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured in stunning clarity. This difference in resolution can be crucial when it comes to identifying license plates or other important details in the event of an incident. When it comes to night vision, the Dashcam WiFi 2K features WDR technology that helps improve visibility in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Miden X5 4K boasts advanced night vision capabilities, allowing it to capture clearer footage even in the darkest environments. This can be a game-changer for nighttime driving. The Dashcam WiFi 2K comes with essential features like loop recording and a G-sensor for basic functionality. In contrast, the Miden X5 4K offers a comprehensive package with front and rear recording, a free 64G SD card, and 360-degree coverage, making it a more versatile option for drivers who want complete surveillance. In conclusion, both dashcams have their strengths and weaknesses. The Dashcam WiFi 2K is a budget-friendly option for those who need basic functionality, while the Miden X5 4K offers superior video quality and additional features for a slightly higher price. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.